your closet is so important because you want to make sure you get to wear everything, and sometimes you forget that you have something or it's not accessible. So the organization is key to, again, having a wardrobe that you can really use. A key to organizing your closet is the tools that you have. So having the right hangers, having the right storage bins, making sure that you have a place to put your dirty clothes so you don't forget about them. If it's summer and you have natural fibers that you are not wearing and are not seasonal, it's very important to either keep them in a cedar to protect them from moths, use mothballs, or you can also use vacuum sealed zippered pouches so that, again, you're going to increase the longevity of these items and they're not going to get damaged while they're sitting in the closet, potentially gathering dust or infested by moths or mites. So take care of your clothes even when you're not wearing them.